What's up guys, welcome to Ceramic Garage. We had a chance to work on this beautiful newly released 2024 Tesla Cybertruck. When it first came into our shop, it was a full stainless steel body that looked nice, but if you can imagine everyone riding down the road in the same stainless steel color, it could get boring really fast. We were able to help by applying a matte black vinyl wrap followed by a ceramic coating. This combination not only provided a sleek and modern appearance, but also offered protection for the original surface. Matte black vinyl wrap is a popular choice for car enthusiasts for several reasons. It gives the vehicle a sleek and stealthy appearance that stands out on the road. Additionally, vinyl wrap can provide a layer of protection against slight scratches, rock chips, and UV rays. It's also much more affordable and less permanent than a traditional paint job or paint protection wrap, allowing you to change the color of the vehicle without any permanent alterations or heavy cost. There are many brands available for colored vinyl wrap, all a bit different with unique color choices. For the Cybertruck here, we applied a 3M 2080 deep black, which is a matte black, to give it this mean and aggressive look. Some of the other popular brands we've also used are Tech Wrap, Avery, or Inazitech. Now let's talk about ceramic coating and why it's so important to apply on a vinyl after it's been installed. If you don't already know, ceramic coating is a silicon dioxide that's applied to a vehicle's exterior. Once cured, it forms a protective layer that repels water, dirt, and contaminants. Vinyl wraps can really wear down from the sun's UV rays and can lose their lifespan or fade in a matter of a few years depending on the environment. With ceramic coating applied, it protects the vinyl wrap, helping it last longer, making it easier to clean, all while giving it a slight sheen look. Applying a matte black vinyl wrap to this vehicle is a meticulous process. It requires a lot of precision and a lot of attention to detail. In one of the first steps, we start off by cleaning the vehicle's exterior and clay barring any of the surface contaminants, not only to ensure that the vinyl adheres properly, but to make sure it sits on a smooth surface so no imperfections show from under the film install. Next, we measure and cut the vinyl to fit each panel of the vehicle. We then carefully apply the vinyl to each panel using heat to conform it to the vehicle's curves and edges. In this case, pretty flat panel, so it didn't need too much heat. Finally, we wrap the edges and trim any excess vinyl, making sure that the wrap is free of air bubbles or imperfections. Once the vinyl wrap was applied, we moved on to the ceramic coating. We began by thoroughly cleaning the whole vehicle and all of the vinyl panels, removing any dirt or debris from the surface. Next, we applied the ceramic coating using a microfiber applicator, making sure to cover every inch of the vehicle's exterior, leaving a protecting finish. The matte black vinyl wrap combined with the ceramic coating gives the 2024 Tesla Cybertruck a sleek and very aggressive look. The vinyl wrap protects the paint while the ceramic coating provides a durable shield against UV rays. This combination not only enhances the appearance of the truck, but also provides long-lasting protection against all of the elements. If you're considering a color change or adding protection to your vehicle, we highly recommend matte black vinyl and the combination of ceramic coating. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. We'll see you on the next one.